and welcome to this video on flowchart. We know that a flowchart is a visual or graphical representation of an algorithm. It is a pictorial representation of a step involved in solving a problem. Standard shapes for specific operations are: first we see symbols and names, then meanings. Okay, so first क्या है? This is oval shape which is used to start and stop point in a flowchart. Next is parallelogram, which is used to give input and output in a flowchart. Next is a rectangle, which is used to process a flowchart. Processing. Okay. Then next is a diamond shape, which is used decision and condition. Okay. Next is circle, which is known as one page connector also. Next is small pentagon, which is used off page connector. Okay. And next is arrows to flow a line in a flowchart, to give a flow of a line in a flowchart. Next we discuss about advantages of flowchart. First is the flowchart is a pictorial representation of a program steps, so it facilitates easier checking of an algorithm. Next is it is good way of a communication with other users. Also, it is an compact way of representing an algorithm solution to a program. To a problem. Sorry, it is easy to detect an error with the help of a flowchart. Next is limitations of a flowchart. There are no standard which specify the details that should be included in any flowchart. Next limitation is drawing of a flowchart is very tedious process. Next limitation is it is very difficult to include any new step in an existing flowchart. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.